Welcome back guys. So in this video I'll be reviewing Portronics Hydra 10 60% wireless mechanical keyboard with RGB lighting. The model that I purchased comes with Jixian Blue switches. Other models of it exist that come with Jixian red and brown switches. It supports both wired and wireless mode. In wireless mode, we can pair up to 4 devices with the keyboard, 3 via Bluetooth mode and 1 via 2.4 GHz band wireless channel. In order to use the latter option, just need to connect the USB dongle to the device with which we want to use the keyboard. I purchased it from Flipkart India during a sale for around rupees 1900, that's roughly around 23 US dollars. As of now it's selling for around rupees 2400, that's roughly around 29 US dollars. Not bad at all. This is its Flipkart page. At the moment prices of both blue and brown switches models are the same, rupees 2400. Red switch model is priced at around rupees 3000. We'll be discussing the switches in the later part of the video. I'll quickly do the unboxing. So inside the box we have the keyboard, a type C to type A cable, instruction manual and a warranty card. That's it. The wire provided with the keyboard is really very long. Since it's a 60% keyboard, there is no numpad. Gamers usually prefer this style of keyboard. I like the fact that it comes with arrow keys. Home, page up and page down keys are also present, but there are no keys to increase or decrease volume. Dedicated macro keys are also not present. Portronics does not provide any software for this keyboard. You cannot customize the LED lighting. RGB lighting in this keyboard comes with 20 presets. We can increase or decrease their brightness. We'll be demonstrating this in the later part of the video. I'm a bit worried about the longevity of Jixian red switches that are used in this keyboard. They are not hot swappable. The keyboard does come with a 1-year warranty, but I hope the switches last for at least 2 years. The keyboard comes in only one color. The chassis is made of plastic. It's not flimsy at all. According to Portronics, weight of the keyboard is around 480 grams. It has a nice heft to it. Keycaps are of good quality. They are made out of ABS material. Stabilizer do a good job of keeping the large keys like spacebar, shift and enter stable. They don't wobble much. On the top we have this type C port to connect the wire. On the bottom we have the Portronics branding. Check out the back side. This is the power button, turn off, turn on, and these are the 4 rubber feet. They prevent the skidding of the keyboard. No clips are provided to raise its height. There is the USB dongle for 2.4 GHz band wireless mode in this small space. Okay, so it seems there's a magnet inside the small space. The USB dongle gets sucked into it like this. The keyboard has a battery capacity of around 1000 mAh. With RGB lighting enabled, battery is pretty average. According to Portronics, it lasts for around 5 hours only. With RGB lighting disabled, it will easily last for around 25 hours. You can always connect the wire to charge it and still use it in Bluetooth or the 2.4 GHz wireless mode. When its battery life is low, spacebar color will change into red. When it's charging, spacebar color will change into blue, and when the battery life is full, spacebar color will change into green. This keyboard has 68 tactile keys, and it supports anti-ghosting with N-key rollover feature. In simpler terms, when you press multiple keys together, all of them will get detected. Now guys, previously I was using Gamdias Hermes E3 wired mechanical keyboard 60%. You can see it does not come with the arrow keys. Gamdias used custom blue switches for this keyboard. Unfortunately, it didn't last long. After 15 months of usage, some of its keys stopped working. I was not able to find any information on Portronics website regarding the longevity of Jixian red, blue or brown switches. I am very disappointed with my Gamdias keyboard. Did not even last for 2 years. I hope my Portronics keyboard does not suffer from the same fate. At the moment I am also using Redragon Diti one-handed wired mechanical keyboard. It comes with Outemu blue switches. As you can see, they are hot swappable. I've been using this keyboard for almost 15 months now. No problems faced. All of the keys are still working. You can see the dedicated macro keys. Redragon provides a software for the keyboard on Windows platform. Using the software, we can customize the macro keys. We can also adjust the LED lighting. Keyboard also comes with this magnetic wrist rest. It's made out of plastic. On the top we have this USB pass-through port, and this is the Type-C port for the purpose of connecting the keyboard to our PC. This is my 5-year-old full-size mechanical wired keyboard from Gigabyte K83 Force. It comes with Cherry MX red switches. These switches are silent. Cherry MX switches are known for their durability. These switches are rated at 100 million clicks. Even after 5 years, all of the keys of this keyboard are still working. The thing is, it takes up a lot of space on my desk. That's why I replaced it with a 60% keyboard. Now I'll be talking about the mechanical switches. Their characteristics remain the same irrespective of the brand, whether the switches are from Cherry MX, Outemu, Gale, Gatron or Jixian. When you press a blue switch, it produces a clicky sound accompanied by a tactile bump. This is Jixian Blue Switch. You can hear the clicky sound. It is accompanied by a tactile bump. This is Outemu Blue Switch. Clicky sound accompanied by a tactile bump. On the other hand, red switches are linear. They don't produce any clicky sound when pressed. You also don't experience any tactile feedback. The red switches are easier to press than the blue switches due to their lower actuation force. They are not completely silent though. Let me just press them. Cherry MX red. They are less noisy than the blue switches. This is why they are recommended to gamers or people with roommates. Brown switches offer a middle ground. They have the tactile bump of blue switches but without the noisy click. Instead, it's a silent bump that can be felt but not heard. They are also not as sensitive as the red switches. They have a slightly higher actuation force requirement. This is why they are usually recommended to people who are into typing. This is going to be the sound test for Jixian Blue Switches. I'll be pressing the keys. Sound test for Outemu Blue Switches. Sound test for Cherry MX red switches. This is my Steam Deck running on Windows 11, basically a budget PC. I'll use it to demonstrate the different connectivity modes. First, we'll connect the keyboard to Steam Deck using the wired mode. Let's connect the wire here. Type-C port. There you go. I'm using JSOC dock HP0603. Make sure power button is set to on. Keyboard will light up like this. It's working. I'll explain some of the function keys. In order to disable RGB lighting, just need to press and hold the function key and press the X key. There you go. Blue color for the spacebar key indicates that the keyboard is charging. I'll enable the lighting again. Press and hold function key and press X key. In order to increase or decrease the brightness level, just need to press and hold the function key and then press either up or down key like this. You can select from any of the 20 presets for the RGB lighting. Just need to press and hold the function key and then press the backslash key. Change the color by pressing and holding the function key and then press the enter key. A lot of customization is available. In order to reset the keyboard, just need to press and hold function and spacebar keys together like this. Now I'll be connecting it in the 2.4 GHz band wireless mode. I have connected the USB dongle of the keyboard to this Type-C to USB adapter. Now just press the function and tab keys together. Now press function and R keys together. Now press function and P key together. Just connect the dongle to your PC. Keyboard should get connected. There you go, it worked. I'll show you how to connect the keyboard to your PC via Bluetooth mode. If your PC does not support Bluetooth, you can use a Bluetooth dongle. As I've removed the USB dongle, keyboard is not working. Open the Bluetooth settings of your PC. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Then click on Add Device. Click on Bluetooth. Now press function and tab keys on your keyboard. 3 Bluetooth profiles are available. We can access them by pressing function plus Q, function plus W and function plus E keys. For my Steam Deck, I'll be using the function plus Q profile. Now we just need to press function plus P keys. This will make the keyboard discoverable. Should show up here. There it is, Hydra 10. You can see now it's working. I used it in Bluetooth mode with my Windows PC, played some competitive games, did not experience any latency issues. In case you experience such issues, you can always use the keyboard in 2.4 GHz band wireless mode or the wired mode. Now I'll be connecting it to my Android phone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile phone. Now you just need to press the function and W or E keys. I'll access the second profile. Press function and W keys. It should light up. Search for the keyboard on your mobile phone. Press the function and P keys. There it is, Hydra 10 5.0 pair connected, working. This is the third profile. Press the function and E keys. Now press the function and P key. Search for the keyboard on your mobile phone. There it is. Tap on pair. Successfully paired. It's working. I'll show you how to switch among the different devices. So in order to go back to Steam Deck, just need to press function and Q keys. It switched. See, it's working. I'll switch to my second device, Mi 11X. Press the function and W keys. Connected. And switch to my third device. Just press function and E keys. Connected. As simple as that. So guys, I'm very impressed by the features of this keyboard considering its price. I'm a bit worried about the longevity of Jixian Blue Switches. Only time will tell whether they are durable or not. That keyboard does come with a 1-year warranty in case anything goes wrong. So guys, I'll end the video here. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.